This is the Huawei Nova Y70 Plus. It is also known as the Y70 in Malaysia, Philippines and the United Arab Emirates. And this is my unboxing. So first of all, in the box we get the device. The color that I have is the blue color. As we can see, here are the main specifications. The blue color that I have here has a nice shine to it. Then we get a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and we get a soft TPU see-through case. We also get a USB-C cable, and we get a 22.5 watt fast charger. The last thing in the box is some cheap headphones. So that's the contents of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well if you enjoyed the video. If you are in South Africa, I've made a full video on why you should not buy this device, so definitely check that out in the description below. If you're from the Philippines or Malaysia, I will leave links in the description below of where you can buy this device. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.